Hey guys, what's up? This is Usama. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Huawei released the Honor 8X a couple of months back. Earlier, I got my hands on the Huawei Honor 8X in the blue color and I unboxed this phone on my channel as well. The Huawei Honor 8X comes in the red, pink, black and blue color. Today I have got my hands on the black color of the Honor 8X and I decided to post another unboxing video to show you the black color of this phone. So guys, here is the box of the black Huawei Honor 8X. Up front we can see the Huawei Honor 8X branding. On the left and on the right side we can see the branding, and here are some specifications of this phone. It comes with the 6.5-inch Honor full view display. There is a 128GB internal storage and there is a 20MP AI dual camera on this phone. At the bottom of this box we can see the warranty card that Honor packs inside its phones for Pakistan, and here we can see some other information of this phone. It has a RAM of 4GB, the internal storage is 128GB, color is black, model number is JSN-L22. So guys, without any further ado, let's get inside the box of the Huawei Honor 8X and see how this black color looks like. Here is the black Huawei Honor 8X. I'm going to power this phone on and we will take a look on this phone in a while. Will also turn on in the meanwhile. So guys, let us take a look at other contents of this box. Here are some IMEI stickers of the Huawei Honor 8X. There is another box in this phone. In this box we can find the silicone case, the SIM eject tool, and there is nothing else in this small box of the Huawei Honor 8X. And here we can find the charging brick for the Huawei Honor 8X. It is a 5V 2A charging brick, and this is how you are going to charge your phone. Here we can see the USB cable of this phone. This is a normal USB cable. There is no USB Type-C port in the Huawei Honor 8X. And here we can see the headphones of the Huawei Honor 8X, which are quite different as compared to the headphones of the Huawei Nova 3 and the Y9 2019. So guys, that's it about the contents of the box of the Huawei Honor 8X. Let us take a look at the design and build of the Honor 8X. First of all, let me take the sticker off. So guys, this is the Huawei Honor 8X in black color for you. As you may have seen earlier that on the blue color, the Honor 8X has this light strip against its very dark blue color. This goes the same for the Huawei Honor 8X in the black color. You can see that this glassy look has a pure black color, while this has a slightly faded black color. Here we can see the AI dual cameras on this phone. And on the bezels are going with the color of this phone as well, which is a really great addition to the looks of this phone. Here on this side we can see the volume rocker followed by the power button. At the bottom we can see the speaker grill and the USB port. Here we can see the 3mm headphone jack. On the left side of this phone we can see the SIM card tray. Let us take a look at the SIM card tray of this phone as well to see what we can do with this. And guys, here is the SIM card tray. We can put in two SIMs at the same time and a micro SD card as well. At the top of this bezel we have just one mic, and let's check out the display of this phone now. So guys, this phone has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080x2340 pixels. At the top you can see this has a single 16 megapixel shooter fixed here, and the display ratio is 19:9 here. So you are going to get this full display with a full HD resolution, which looks absolutely amazing on this phone. As far as the processor and the other internals of this phone are concerned, it is powered by the Kirin 710 SoC, which is accompanied by the Mali G61 MP4 GPU. So guys, I'm going to set it up now. So guys, the device is asking to set up the fingerprint ID and the face unlock. I'm going to set up both these things as I would like to see the speed of these modules on this phone. Guys, the Huawei Honor 8X in black color has been set up, and I have already set up the fingerprint ID and the face unlock as well. Let us find out the fingerprint ID unlock speed. Okay, so it's really fast. It's time to check out the Face ID unlock speed as well. Okay, so the Face ID unlock is doing quite good here as well. It's not that much of disappointing. So guys, as far as the software of the Honor 8X in black color is concerned, it runs on the Android 8.1 Oreo, which is themed by the EMUI 8.2. You can see the EMUI here. So guys, as far as the battery capacity of the Huawei Honor 8X is concerned, it has a 3750 mAh battery, which is quite good for a day's usage. That's pretty much it about the Huawei Honor 8X. Let us try giving a shot to the camera as well. So here is the camera of the Huawei Honor 8X. The dual cameras at the back have a 20 MP plus 2 MP shooter here, and this is how it works. Okay, so you can see the camera here. By the way, I have already posted the Huawei Honor 8X camera sample on my channel. You can take a look at them if you are interested in the camera samples. Let us try checking the front camera as well. This is how the front camera of the Honor 8X looks like. That's pretty much it about this black Huawei Honor 8X. You can see a small speaker in this tiny notch of the Honor 8X as well. This phone nonetheless has a great design. It looks great, it has a great feel, it has a very nice build, but the thing that I don't like about this phone is its back attracts a lot of fingerprints. You can see that I have just used this phone for a few minutes and the back looks absolutely dirty. So you are going to need a very good case to protect the back of this phone. I'm sure that it's going to attract a lot of scratches as well. So you have to be very much careful about it. That's all about today's unboxing video, guys. I'm going to post the speed test, camera comparison, battery charging test and many other tests between the Huawei Honor 8X, Nova 3i and the Y9 2019. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay connected, stay blessed. I will see all of you with another video really soon.